Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have a major announcement to make. Myself as well as a couple of my buddies will be at WECFest 2023 in Seattle. It is on June 11th. I believe it's a Sunday, and we will be hosting a booth there for my company, Apex Motorsport, and we will be having my E90 M3 as well as a supercharged E92 M3 that is going to be right along the booth. The booth's going to be in the middle, car's going to be on the side. It is going to be a super fun show. If anybody watching this is in Seattle and they end up going to the show, make sure to pop by the booth and say what's up. I have a laundry list of things to get done on my car as well as the E92 M3. That car is going to be dialed in for the show. My car, we have seats, we have a bunch of carbon, we have new wheels, we have suspension going in, the Öhlins that you guys have already seen, as well as a bunch of other things, new steering wheel, some interior bits that are going to be going into the car. Really trying to get it prepared for WECFest, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I think we're going to film there. I'm going to film everything that we do to the car leading up to the event, and then afterwards probably make a video regarding how much it actually cost me to even attend the event, all the modifications that I put on for the event, everything like that. I believe there's going to be a decent amount of cars there as well, not just European but also JDM. So yeah, I think it'd be a super fun time. I wanted to tell you guys beforehand. I know it's a couple months before, but at the same time with these types of things and the modifications that I'm going to be doing, all this stuff takes time. So I'm just hoping that I'm able to get the car ready for the show. I know there's one thing that I ordered that will not be here in time for the show, at least I don't think it is, but everything else, the seats, the interior, the suspension, the wheels, everything's going to be dialed right before the show, and I believe that everything should be ready. I also need to get a paint correction and a ceramic coat for the car because the paint is absolutely atrocious. But yeah, I am looking forward to the event, very excited. There's a lot of things, a lot of moving parts that are involved with even attending a show. I've already submitted my application, my vendor application for it, and it got approved. Cars are approved, so we have a green light to go forward with everything. We also will be having some products from BBS, Golden Wrench, Sean over at Mashimoro, and then I believe there's also going to be maybe a couple of products from Valvetronic as well that we're going to be displaying, because we are a distributor or a dealer of all of those brands. So if you guys didn't know that, now you do. If you ever need help with anything, contact us either at the website or even at my Instagram. You can slide in my DM or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys attend the show. I hope you pull up and say what's up, and you guys have a good rest of your day, and look forward to the videos that are coming out soon showing off the prep for the show.